Hello, I'm Bruce Troutman, Ulabo USA. I'm the service manager for North America. Ulabo offers the installation operator training. So these are for the customers that purchase a unit and they want on-site installation operator training for a single person or many representatives within that company. We will help you connect the machine, we will fill your fluid, we will go through a simulation testing, and we will also fine-tune the parameters so we can get the most optimal performance of our chiller with your application. Now, as far as the operating side, that's where we would go into the specific menus. We would go in depth on the menus of what the pros and cons are for making the adjustments to fine-tune our machine to your application so you can get the most optimal performance with our machine attached to your application. So our price for this is we charge $1,800 per day, and then we also add the travel costs in as well. If you would like more information on the installation operator training offered by Ulabo USA, please contact a Ulabo USA account manager or a service team representative.